Page 44, Habanara, however you say it. It's a theme from the opera Carmen, a very famous melody by Georges Bizet. It's got a little bit of trickiness going on. Let's just take a look at it. There's a lot of phrasing and staccato, so you're just going to disconnect the notes. Not short, just disconnect at the beginning. And then the second measure, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So get the rhythm. There's rhythms all over the place, so it's here. And the left hand gets the melody. And there's a whole fermata there. I'm going to play with me. I'm going to add 2 more beats to that. And all of that is one phrase. That's all one musical sentence, one musical thought. And then you basically get the same thing again. Again, fermata, I'm going to double that, so I'm going to hold it for 2 counts. And then before I go on, now the right hand has to move up. And the left hand has half notes, so bring them up on beat 3. It's here. Right when the right hand plays the 3rd beat, the left hand comes up. 1 and 2. And then the last measure of that page, see the left hand there? I still think they got that symbol backwards. I think it should be the other way around. But just cross over the left hand. Up here for 1 note. Come back down for page 45. The right hand moves again, and the right hand comes up on beat 3. So when the left hand plays beat 3, bring the right hand down for the E. I'm going to hold that for 2 counts. All these fermatas, I'm just going to double the value. The rest of that's pretty much the same. I think you can get it there at the end. Last line, you're here. The beginning of the last line. And then move the right hand up to get that. 2 counts and then you're off. On page 45, 3rd line down, in the 2nd measure, look out because your right hand's been here. And you got to come down one key so you can got the F and the E covered. If you don't, you have to cross over, and there's no need for that. Just come down, just so you're aware of that move there. Otherwise, it'll catch you off guard. Let's try this slowly together. You can find all kinds of recordings of this. It's a vocal solo, of course, but it's a nice little arrangement of it. I'll give us 4 counts. We come in on beat 3. But the first 2 beats are rest, so it's like 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, ready, go, rest, rest, and then we play. Because that's the way they've done it. Really, it should be a pickup beat, but there's other stuff going on, so they have to do it this way. So right hand here, left hand here. 1, 2, ready, go, rest, rest. Hold 2. Hold 3. And 2. 1 and 2. 2. And 2. 1 and 2.